Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to do the solutions of question number 8 and question number 9 of the chapter Mensurations. I advise you all that you must do the practice of these questions in the rough notebook so that these remain permanent in your minds. Solution of question number 8. First, I am reading the question. Find the two parallel sides of trapezium whose area is 1.6 meter square, altitude is given 10 decimeter and one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 8 decimeter. So first of all I am writing altitude of trapezium. Altitude means height, that is h, and it is 10 decimeter. Here let one side of trapezium, that I am denoting y, small a, and it is x decimeter. Everything is in decimeter, so I am keeping in decimeter only. Therefore, other parallel side of trapezium, you can denote it by small b. What is written in the question? That one of the parallel sides is longer than the other by 8. So it will be x plus 8 decimeter. Now area of trapezium, what it is? 1.6 meter square. In 1 meter there are 10 decimeters. Here I am writing in rough work. In 1 meter there are 10 decimeters. So in 1 meter square, 10 into 10, there will be 100 decimeter square. So here meter square can be changed into decimeter square by multiplication with 100. So if you change it, it will become 16 over 10 into 100 meter square. 0 cancels with 0. It is 160 meter decimeter square, because now it is converted into decimeter square. So 160 decimeter square. Now everything is in the form of decimeter. Now formula of area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of two parallel sides into height is equal to 160. So 1 by 2 into a is what? X, and b is x plus 8 into height 10, and it is equal to 160. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So it is 5 into x plus x is 2x plus 8 is equal to 160. So let's solve it. 2x plus 8 will be kept on the left side. 160 will be divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15, 116, 5 twos are 10, 32. From here 2x will be equal to 32 minus 8, 24. So x will be 24 divided by 2, and after cancellation you get it as 12 decimeter. Now in the question it is asked that find two parallel sides of trapezium. Therefore two parallel sides of trapezium are one side A, which we have assumed x, that will be 12 decimeter, and small b is equal to x plus 8, 12 plus 8, that is 20 decimeter. If you wish to convert it into meters, so it will be, in 1 meter there were 10 decimeters, so 12 over 10, it will be 1.2 meter, and here it will be 20 by 10, so it will be converted into meters. this will be 2 meter. Now question number 9. The area, the क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ कैनाल इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम. जैसे एक कैनाल है, इस शेप में है. टॉप इज 15 मीटर वाइड. तो टॉप it is in this shape, means in shape of trapezium. This top is 15 meter wide and bottom is 8 meter wide. What more is given? Area is given, we need to find height. So solution for trapezium shaped canal, small a is 15 meter, small b is 8 meter. Let depth, the depth of the canal, it is denoted by h. This we need to find out. So what is given? Area of the cross section of canal is in the form of trapezium. Top is this, bottom is this, and area is this 138. So area of cross section of canal 138 meter square. So put the values 1 by 2, formula of this 1 by 2 into a plus b into h, it is equal to what? 138. Now 1 by 2, a value is what? 15 and b is 8 into h is h, it is 138. So let's solve. 15 plus 8 is 23 and this is over 2 into h is 138. So we will find h 138. This will be reciprocated 2 over 23. 23 ones are 23, 6s are 138, 6 2s are 12 meter. So we have found depth of the well. Therefore depth of, not well, depth of canal, that is h, it is equal to 12 meter. So we have done the solution of question number 8 and 9. Hope you have understood properly. So if you have really understood the solution part in the easiest way, do like the video, subscribe the channel and share the link of the channel with your friends and ask them to subscribe the channel. Thank you.